We're at the Titanic Belfast Visitor Experience today, right on the site where the Titanic was actually built. And of course, back in 1909, 1910, when work was underway on the ship, you would have heard lots of Ulster-Scots words and phrases out in the shipyard. And in fact, just behind me here, there's a wonderful artist's impression of some of the workforce from that time. Liam, what sort of things would they have been saying to each other?
Well, these boys behind us here, around the middle of the day, would have started looking for their piece. Basically, it means Yer Lug. And some people brought it in a box, other people bought it wrapped up in a bit of paper. It was basically a bit of bread, oftentimes with a bit of jam, hence the expression, peace and jam. Nice Subway in them days, Jane.
What other words would they have used?
People might have said, I wrought for Harlan and Wolff. That means I worked for Harlan and Wolff. It's an old English word. You maybe have lovely wrought iron gates at the front of your house. That means worked iron. You occasionally get it expressed as rocht, and that's the same principle that turns night into nacht and light into licht.
I like rocht, I like the guttural sound of rocht. I'm going to start using that one. Well, that's all from us for today, but we'll see you next time.